What's up everybody, this is ExodusAblaze, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mascot logo. Now, this series is going to be split up into two parts, this first part being the line work, and the second part being the coloring and the vectoring. With that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when making a mascot logo is gathering your references, figuring out what style you're doing, and what shapes this is going to consist of. In this case, we are going with a wolf mascot logo, so I have 6 different references. On one side, I have mascot logo references, and on the right side, I have actual animal reference images. Once you have your general info narrowed down, it's time to get sketching. So this is where you need to make another decision. Is this going to be a side view of a mascot logo or a symmetrical front view? Or is it going to be like a 3/4 view? Now for this logo, I wanted to go with a simple, symmetrical, front-facing mascot logo. Some things to note while you're sketching. I find it easier to start with the front of whatever you're drawing. So with this logo, the nose would be the first thing that people would see. This would be in the front of everything else. So I start with that to make sure that's good and then have everything follow behind. If I were to start the other way, the design wouldn't have like a natural feel and I could get some things off. So that is personally what I like to do. If something else works for you, that's totally fine. But for just starting out, this is a good rule to follow. I also like to start with the eyes as well, because the eyes really bring the emotion to the logo and can represent what you're trying to make someone feel when they look at that logo. Whenever I'm making a mascot logo, I also like to put a lot of time into where the eyes are if I'm making a creature, because that really brings the design to life. If the eyes look weird, then it's not going to look realistic. People aren't going to get the idea across, and they are going to have trouble recognizing what the logo actually is. Once I was finished with the face of the logo, I got started on the outline. I did have a little bit of trouble with this at first, so I dragged one of my handy dandy references over, and this helped me get a better idea of what I was drawing. So what I did with this image is I traced the ears and I traced the outline of the head. This then allowed me to get a general concept for how the head should be shaped, and then I can go and add fur from that. So what I like to do when I'm done with my basic sketch is I try to make another concept of the logo I'm making. Whenever I'm making a logo, I tend to make multiple concepts so that I can make the best logo possible. So after I was done with my basic sketch, I made a new layer and started tracing the logo I had just drawn. This gives me a chance to clean it up and change some things along the way to make it a better logo. You can see here I moved the eyes a little bit lower and I changed how the fur was shaped. I ended up liking the way this one looked, so I continued to go with this concept. Now at this stage of the drawing process, the logo is pretty much complete. We have our main concept. All that's left is to detail it and clean up the line work. So I wanted to add a little bit of flair, so I turned off my mirroring and decided to make a little curve at the bottom to bring some personality into this design. Once you clean up your line work, you are good to go to start coloring. I'm going to do the coloring in a different video, so I'm going to call it here, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see the end result of this logo and see how we color it, vector it, and if you want to see more design and drawing content, make sure to subscribe for more. If you want to show off some of your own designs, make sure to join my Discord. The link is in the description. Again, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and share this video with someone else. I'm going to do a lot more mascot logo content, so if you have an idea for a mascot logo you would like to learn how to draw, make sure to drop a comment down below letting me know what kind of logos I should make, and I will make some videos on those. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.